the big baby out.
Styrofoam.
This is the big baby from that.
Wash on this. I think we should actually tell people how we made this one.
Oh no!
You remember? We just guessed
I'm gonna put my clothes
what
over
it
there.
says. Well, do you know what it says right here? It says white glue is 118 milliliters plus 60 milliliters of activator. Clear glue is 147 milliliters plus 60 mils of activator.
That's two.
Yep. Or else you can just.
Come and pour this on me.
We can- Oh, you're gonna drop it. How much do you want?
We're going to move it.
This much?
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey, bro, you don't put that in there. Give me the lid. Clean your mess first.
Which one did you make? Can I still in the lid? How is it?
Wipe your glue
I'm
off.
going to put this in there.
Wipe your glue off.
Daddy, I want some of the white glue.
Okay, right now?
Yeah, I want
Okay,
it.
that's all.
Not on the knife.
It's okay, you have to mix it with the knife. Okay, a wee bit more.
I
I think we should have shook this up because it's really thin. I think you need to shake that glue. Keegan, what are you adding to yours?
Oh, now I need to add this.
Activator?
Yeah, activate.
Okay, well, where's my little...
I don't even know if it's
the
activated.
mark? We had it marked at 60.
I
Right,
am missing one.
can you put the lid back on that, please? That'd be good. Alien.
I'm not an alien, Tommy. You're an alien.
Okay, okay.
I think
You adding foam to yours, Bailey?
I only add a wee because I don't want big blue.
Alright. Want it to be blue. Don't be mean, guys. Chill. Chill. Are you ready to mix?
Yes, I am.
Bailey, I'm gonna do Keegan's first, and then I'm gonna mix. We're gonna mix Keegan's first. So here's. Are you gonna use that mixer or this? Whatever you want. Why is it so runny? A little bit at a time. Put a little bit over here. You mix that around. Looks like eggs.
Eggy.
Eggs. Stop there, Keegan. Let's see. It's
Talking about eggs, I'm going to make an egg
starting to
casserole.
go wobbly.
Daddy, talking about me.
Sorry.
Daddy, can I just call you?
Oh my god.
Daddy, you know what you were saying? Daddy, talking about eggs, we're making an egg sign.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, bro. Okay, that's
I'm
it.
going
Hand time.
I'm Torsa. Daddy, I'm
Well, let's put
going
on
to
this.
Torsa, everybody. Daddy, I'm going to see what happens if you put it in right now.
Okay, see what are you putting in? Glitter?
I'm going to
Oh,
see what it happens.
oh, yellow egg. Okay, you ready to pour in?
I actually never made one sign before.
I think we've run out of activators.
Listen, we have more of this stuff. We have more. We have made lots of it. So, who's ever actually making peace signs today? Hey!
3? That's a number. Okay. Next.
What's that? Oh, I want
Blah, 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 blah. Oh. Okay, Bailey, you ready? Are you gonna mix an ice to pour or yeah? Eggs.
Eggs. Make.
That looks like an egg.
And you take roll the egg up into a bowl and never give it back to its owner. That's like more.
Egg.
Why
There.
is it keep eggs?
I forgot to mix.
Oh wait!
You pour and mix.
Are you making an egg sign? Making an egg sign.
Bailey, you wanna pour in some?
No, you do it! It's wet! Hey, bring it close to me so
Sorry.
Yeah, y'all come in.
Do you need more activator?
No, maybe I need some of this stuff.
No, you have to mix it quickly or it's gonna turn all. It won't turn out. Like slime, it'll just turn like that. It'll have to go in here with the rest of this growth. Do you want to do a challenge? Hold it over your head.
No! Don't stick onto my hair!
I know, we're not gonna do that.
After this video, I'm gonna make another one by pulling. Why
You ready? Can you pour in our mix?
No.
Alright. Keep mixing.
Oh, my arm hurts.
I know your little arm.
I want that. Oh, I need some of that. Yeah. If you want fluffy sign, you have fluffy sign.
Okay. Ta-ta,
I am
Billy.
doing the best.
Mix it a bit faster.
Fluffy already. I'm actually going. Can you give me some gift Billy? This what color? I want you to get that. I want the pink. This pink? I want the really dark one. The really dark one is this really dark one. Actually, just get me these. I want to get these. You need these. Just in case you.
Who wants their eggs for breakfast?
Me. Not me.
One
That
is.
looks like I want. Hey, give it to me.
Yeah, hang on. We're just going to check it. We need to add a bit more.
Why is
activator.
my sign so sticky?
Add more activator.
Add
Put your bowl.
deactivator.
Hold
My
it in your
sign's
bowl.
not really egg sign. I'm actually going to add. My sign's not egg sign. It's serious because of this.
The foam?
My sign's.
Yeah, you should have added it in when you're mixing it before you mixed it.
No, I was. No, I think it's because of the white goat.
Oh, okay, maybe.
I actually never used it.
Wow.
I never used it.
Okay, Billy, I've got your slime, so you can add some hand sanitizer and mix it some more. Boop, boop, boop.
This is fun.
Ew. I just made this one go. It definitely looks like eggs.
Go. Wait. Can
Right.
you add this in, Billy? I made Daddy.
Yeah? You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Billy, can I put yours? Can you wait till I give Billy hers?
Hey, Daddy. Is that mine?
Yeah.
Here you go, Billy.
Okay, Keegan, what do you want me to put on? In your slime? Do you want more activator? Just,
No! I don't know why it's so sticky. It's too much! Oh no! Sorry, guys. Billy,
It's
you want
okay.
to go and
Do you want-
read that?
Do you want some more?
Yes. No.
Hang on, I gotta pour it on first.
You like mix the
Rub it on your,
activator.
squish it in your hands and rub it together. Like squish it, rub it like that. Nah, you finish with the foam.
This is hard, everybody. Look at the way. Guys, you're also very happy party. I don't even know what that means anyway.
You want this?
Guys, nearly all of it.
What?
Nearly all of it.
Nearly all of it.
I had
Oh,
too
that's
big. That was nearly all of it. Good job. So pretty. It looks like rainbow cake.
yeah.
It's out of me.
No way. That's horrible.
Yeah. Would you actually do that?
No.
Seriously?
Yeah. It's already open. Just don't shake it. Here you go.
All of it. But I'll go use some diamonds.
Fine. Just pick something else.
Mine now.
Hmm?
Anyway, no more wind stuff. So I'm just not doing this video. How about these poles I'm using? No. I'm just not going in this video. My sister don't believe me.
Billy, can you say goodbye?
Oh. Billy's even. It's all my fault.
Say goodbye to everyone. Oh look, there's some rainbow stuff. What's this?
I want a bit more of those.
What's this? This is rainbowy.
No.
No?
Oh, I like those. Oh, no, send on me. You need them all.
Okay, Billy, go sit down.
This is the best one I ever made.
Can you sit down and tell all
I
you...
want that rainbow cake sign. Look how beautiful mine is.
Here we go. Watch.
Guys!
There we go. That's all the colors.
How are we going to stop all out?
I don't know.
I have guys.
It's okay, don't worry.
We need to stress it
You
out.
need to suck them up.
Get more! More! I'm gonna get more.
Or what?
All these. I'm making a mess. Making a mess of stuff. Sorry about this mess. This is a mess. Stop everywhere. I hope it's yours. My side is bad. Daddy, can I have some sanitizer in here?
Here you go. Mix it on.
It's so wet. But my sound's really nice. Well, I'm just gonna have to do the big guns. Take it, but I was going
Give some for Billy, please.
Okay. No.
Whoa.
But before I add it, I'm going to have to mix it. Now what? I'm done, Billy. Daddy, look how pretty my slime is.
Awesome.
It's rainbow. Look at my rainbow thing. No, rainbow. Okay.
You need it for dinner?
Yeah.
You need me to put it somewhere?
Yes, but
Thanks.
isn't it nice?
Yeah, it's lovely.